Hey everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the January VillaBeautifful Galentine's kit. So let's get started. So let's start off with the paper pack. This is an add-on purchase that you can get with the basic kit whenever pre-orders go live. It includes 4 sheets. They're all double-sided, 8.5 by 11 inches, and a really nice thick cardstock, so you can do lots with these. I think my favorite one from this month is going to be this pattern. It is so pretty, and I love the little sparkles of glitter on there. And in addition to the 4 sheets of cardstock, you also get 2 sheets of vellum. So we have a floral pattern and a heart pattern. And all of these pretty pinks and purples are just screaming Valentine's Day. I'm already loving the theme of this kit so much. And next, I will give a closer look at what is inside of this pouch, which includes all of the basic kit. And here is this month's empty pouch. I love that it's got a transparent front so that you can see all of the things you want to store inside, and the back is this really gorgeous sparkly pink. And here's this month's sticky note pad. We've got a pale pink border, a marble background, some rose gold foiling, and a peekaboo heart on the bottom. I love the sticky notes that Tiffany includes in her kits. They're always so cute and stylish. And this month's sticker book, we've got the kit title here and the kit release date here so that you can keep track of those. And then get a nice close-up of all of the pretty foiling. This is the full box page. Some really pretty details on here. I think my favorite is this box with the little cart. And then we have some circle icons and labels, bill-dos. And then some more full boxes. We've got the weekly tracker here, some clipboards. I always love her clipboards. And then a full sheet of half boxes, again with the foiling. And then a sheet of headers and labels. I love that foil wiggle. It's so pretty. And this one is scalloped, if you can see that. And then I like that she mixes in, like there are the straight edge ones here, the curvy bottom ones, some scalloped edges down here, so whatever your style is, she's got something to fit everything. And then we've got a page with some deco, some fashion girls, and some different phrases. And then the next sheet is the date covers, arrows, and tabs. These are so cute. I love this font choice here. And I believe this is the last page, and we have the checklist and flags. Lots of pretty foiling on every sheet. This is really going to make your planner layouts pop. You get a total of 5 small journaling cards in this month's kit, and I believe that next month is when she'll start including 2 larger sizes as well that can be used for dashboards and things like that, so I'm really excited to see those. So here's our first one, Do Everything with Love. And then we have a floral with a foiled border. This one is really pretty. You're a Gem Sweetheart, heart pattern. And then a little trinket tray that says always and forever. These are also pretty. I think if I had to choose a favorite this time around, it would be one of these two. New to this month's kit, we have a set of tab bookmarks, so let's get a better look at those. First up, we have this one that has a marble background with a rose gold geometric foiled heart. The second one has a pink marble watercolory background with some rose gold foiled shapes. And the last one is a pink ombre background with rose gold foil bows and a to-do header at the top. So for these, you would simply pop the tabs back and slide them either onto the tops or the sides of your pages or your dashboards, wherever it is you want to stick them. And it's just a cute way to have part of your VillaBeautifful kit peeking out of your planner. This one, of course, already has the label on the top. The other two are blank, so you could use some stickers, you could use a Sharpie marker possibly if you want to label these two instead of having them blank. If you like to divide your sections and be able to tell easily, that kind of thing. These are a really fun addition to this month's kit. And this month we are also treated to another set of the Dangle Charm paper clips. Get a better look at those. I love the florals and the hearts and the pretty pink and red shades in this month's set. So cute. And here's just a look at them outside of the packaging. And again, these would look great whether you want to stick them on the tops, the sides, or just dangling around from the bottom of your planners. Great way to add some shine and a little bit of jingle. And here's this month's Enamel Pen. I love when she includes pens because I'm always happy to add a new one to my collection that I keep on a corkboard in my craft room. This one features a large white glittery heart and a smaller pale pink heart that says Planner Girl, and it does have a rose gold metallic border. And I love this lace doily on the background. If you're in the VillaBeautifful Facebook group, that's VillaBeautifful VillaBabes, you probably saw the video I posted where I turned the backer card from the last enamel pen into a die cut just by layering on some stickers and the adhesive paper she included in the last kit. Just lots of great ways to reuse pretty packaging. And this month's washi tapes, it's kind of hard to see in the packaging, but it is a transparent set, skinny and standard, of rose gold foiled tape. So let me remove the packaging so we can see a little bit better. Okay, here is the set out of the packaging. It's still a little bit difficult. I mean, that's the same with all transparent tapes. You have to unroll it to see the beauty, so let's do that. And here is the standard size rolled out. You can really see the detail on the foiled florals here. I'm also thinking this would look really good, not just by itself, but also maybe layered onto some other tapes. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out. And here is the skinny tape rolled out, and it has rose gold foiled hearts and heart borders. Perfect for Valentine's Day. And saving the best for last as always, we have this month's VB pen. The kit pens are always named after the kits that they come in, so this is the Galentine's pen, just in case you like to keep track and organize what pens you have in your collection. This one has rose gold hardware, and let's get a zoom in of that crystal mix. I'm seeing iridescent, pinks, and purple shades. So pretty, and matches the colors of the kits just perfectly. Every kit comes with an ink refill for your VB pens too, but if you need extras, those are listed individually in the shop. And that does it for this unboxing. If you missed out on this kit but have fallen in love with it like I have, you can grab kit extras, which will be available on January 27th at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't forget to join the VillaBeautifful Facebook group, which I will link in the description below. There you can find all the information on kits, extras, pre-orders, and new releases. I don't have the digitals for this kit yet, but every pre-order also comes with an email packed with digital clip art and papers that match each theme so you can create to your heart's desire. If you have any other questions, leave those in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching.